big sister.
I feel like the mom. I'm like, watch the TV.
Yeah. Big tolerant big sister. Or you know what? Like, what was it in Peter Pan? The dog Nanny.
Oh yeah, the big dog nanny.
Hard, I think, right?
St. Bernard, yeah, I think you're right, Mom.
But just so patient, you know. Look at you. Oh my God, there he is. Now, don't bite. Don't be nuts.
Well, that's part of play, though, Mom. The mouthing.
That's what we're trying to discourage him. So
If he bites too hard, she will bite in his place.
she'll let him know.
And he's done.
She's holding him down with her head.
You gotta show the little fork. Who's your buddy, Callie? Who's your buddy? You just know.
She was doing that to me on my arm over here. It was like, man, her head is heavy.
Yes. She's clipped me a couple times in the face and just turned.
Oh, yeah.
He just steps on her foot.